Nasakayan ng jeep at ng G-liner mamaya. Huwag sana umulan para hindi mahirapan mo yung mga tao to. Ano meron?
Well, kanina narinig ko ang huddle ng parehong koponan at ang sinabi, mag-usap tayo at kilalanin natin kung sino ang kalaban natin. Mag-umpisa tayo sa service receive pa lang. Ilan lang yan sa mga paalalang binigay sa Philippine Army team ni Coach Rico earlier. And itong si Tina Salak, ang veteranong setter nila, also rallied the team telling them that they need to work together. Hindi madali ang laban, pero kung may presence of mind at komunikasyon, mas maganda ang magiging galaw nila. Para naman sa Philippine Air Force, simple lang ang bilin ni Coach Clarence. Ang sabi niya, maging agresibo at mag-enjoy tayo sa laro. Nakuha natin ang nakaraang set dahil nagkaroon tayo ng kumpiyansa sa sarili and they showed eagerness to win. 7 Ivy?
At ang tama-tama ginawa mo, nilagay mo ng caption yung huling sequence para sa Air Force. A lot of enthusiasm on that attack by Ortiz. Why not go there to get a quick point, samantala? Ano ba nangyari?
So that's four touches.
Yeah,
according to the referee, the ball did not go over.
And tabla tayo at 8. 2 straight points. Last 2 points in-score ng Air Force. Tabla tayo sa number of sets. Alarca, she was about to do that quick. You knew it was coming. Hello.
Down to the net. Ortiz once again.
I love it. Hindi ba pag naglalaro ka, gusto mo pag pinalo mo, nagkakagulo sila sa bilang. Kagulo kayo yan. Air Force scoring the last 3 points. Watch this. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Ito yung palo niyang nagkagulo ang kapitbahay. 9-8 ang bilang natin. Si Caballejo ang nakatoka. Tinaas ni Nunad. Bautista has seen a lot of playing time this afternoon. Runner, Ortiz huli. Na-anticipate.
Passes.
Oh!
Once again, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung coverage ng Philippine Air Force, everybody's literally at the front line to cover. Nobody left at the back line.
Only the 3rd time we have been tied in the set at 9 now. Here's Bautista's serve. Balmaceda has played well as the libero. Nothing flashy for Air Force, but just steady. That's all you need. Off the block.
Off the block?
Off the block, yeah.
Yes. Point for Philippine Air Force.
Gumagapang Ivy yung score. Kasi nga haba ng rallies eh. Walang lumalamang ng more than, except during that second set, lumamang more than 7 actually, nung 7-0. Nagulat ang Air Force. Ba't lamang tayo 7-0? Samantala hinulugan sila ni Dakis. Tabla na naman tayo.
Tina Salak serving for Philippine Army.
Tina, pag nagsiserve parang tennis may target talaga eh.
Drop shot.
Akala mo tennis ball ang pinapalat ni Racket.
Alam mo, mahirap kunin dyan yung short serve niya.
Yeah. Passes
outside.
Nilagyan ng mantikila yun, pero malakas. Sobra. Lamang na ang Army, 11-10. Alam mo, simulat sa pool, Mikasa ang official ball ng Shakey's V-League. Inside!
Service ace. Ito, minsan yung service ni Tina, may kulang din yan eh.
Eto na, timo, kung naging tennis player si Tina Salak, timo, ganda ng kanyang serve. Malakas yun, pero pinalo na ni Caballejo. Yonko! May karga yun. Dakis!
Blocked, but that's outside.
Last 3 points scored by the Army. Air Force wants to bring back the airplanes to the hangar.
Alam nyo kung saan yung receive natin, nandito kalahati, 1/4 lang yung ginagamit nyo, nasa yung dulo. Pag nakita ni Tino, di nyo siya pwedeng bigyan ng chance na gano'n, na laki-laki ng likod natin, titirahin tayo doon. Ha? Sino nasa harapan? Kaya pag papasok mo yung kamay mo, ha? Kasi papaluin ng malakas. Ginagawa mo kanina pasok mo lang yung kamay mo. Block mo na yun. Joy, trabaho dyan, sarap. Huwag na target na kayo, huwag kayo relax mo. Tayo naman natin yan.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Clarence Esteban has aged in this conference. He used to be a young man, actually.
Yeah.
13-10. But what a team he has developed here. From losing their first 2 games, they won 5 straight. In the meantime, that drops in the Army. Now scoring the last 4 points.
Was well-anticipated play. Tina Salak still at the service line for
Yeah.
Philippine Army.
He's now leaving there. Semana.
Drop shot.
Bilis ng takbong Tina. Nandun na agad sa harap. Trabaho niya yun.
Ortiz with a quick shot. And Lunag sends it outside.
Finally, naka-score ang Air Force after being rolled over 4 straight times. It's now 11 against 14. Ortiz ang magsaserve. Steady rin si Nunag. Takis! Sipa! Tadyak!
That was actually still alive.
Oo nga.
Pwede pa yun eh.
That is parang may iniinda ng konti. Nasaktan ba siya ng pag... Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Akala ko naipit yung kamay niya sa taas. Samantala, 15-11 ang ating bilang. Is Jack Alarca. Into the net.
Into the net.
And it's a 3-point lead for the Army. Medyo na-stall ang Army from hitting the second technical timeout. They were first there earlier at 8-6. Here's Cases who likes to pound the ball. Yung kanyang ritual, tatlo. Bang, bang, bang.
Tapos, nakabisado mo na.
Mabilang na eh.
Gonzaga. Cross court. Yonko.
Checkball, 16-12 ang bilang natin. Umabot din ang Army sa second technical timeout.
Hawak na dahil mabilis ang aming paglipad sa kampyonato.